Everybody, welcome back to another episode of Joe of All Trades. Hey, I know you guys ain't seen me in a while, but hey, I've been very busy trying to get some content for y'all, for my audience. So look, as you can see, you see what we got going on in the background, y'all? That's what we got going on in the background. We hadn't talked about these banana plants in so long. We hadn't talked about them in so long. So I want to take you guys on a journey with me as I prune these banana trees. So I actually pruned them just a little bit, um, maybe about 2 weeks ago. So they may not need that much trimming, but we're gonna take a look around and we're gonna see if we do have some trimming that we got to do on something that's one of the lower leaves or whatnot. So I think if we're gonna come back to this set right here is in my backyard, and as you guys can see, those trees are so tall. So and I think I measured it, so you guys can see I'm gonna walk away from it. So okay, so now you guys can kind of see how big they really are. So I'm gonna take an educated guess, guys, and say that my tallest one, I'm gonna say about 13, maybe 13 feet tall. So yeah, so that's some tall. They've gotten bigger, and I think I'm gonna try to do is find the video of me talking about these when they were much smaller than this right here. They were so much smaller than this. But oh guys, I'm so sorry that if you can't hardly hear me. I should have put my mics on so you guys can hear. Look, matter of fact, are they charged though? Yeah. So that's one thing that I always forget is the mic. So I'm gonna try to turn the volume up anyway, so you can, make sure that you hear me. Um, and if you're new to the channel and you're checking me out right now, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's right here. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like and make sure you share. Literally help the channel grow. So it's good to see you guys, but as you can see, what we have on my face right now is we got the metals on. We got the Ray-Ban metals, the Wayfarer. So I'm gonna show you some. We're gonna get some footage of me pruning and going in the banana trees, and we're gonna also, matter of fact, we're not even gonna. I'm gonna save these for another video because these are much taller than the ones I got in the front, but um, the ones I have in the front, they're in a deeper hole, so they, even though they're tall, they don't look tall. So we're gonna take a look. We're gonna go to the front, guys. So we're gonna wait on these. We're gonna do a separate video with these right here. So don't worry about that. So I'll see you guys in the front of the house. And I'm sorry that my, camera's kind of a little shaky right now. So just bear with me, guys, because once we go into meta mode, you guys know it's a totally different experience. So stay tuned for that. And like I said, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Let me get, y'all need a button? I got you. Hold on. Let me give you a button. Boom. There's your button right there. Yeah, there's your button. All right, guys. I'm going to see you in the front. So check you later. All right, guys, so I'm back, and I got the metals on, as you can see. So this is what we're gonna clean up, guys. I got a couple of ones that we got to get rid of. So we're gonna go in here and see, and as you can see, you can see where I started cutting them a while back, and you see how tall they've gotten. And that's also the nutrients that I do feed these trees. So you can see that one. See how fat it is. And maybe you just can't really see with your bare. Let me help you guys out. My hand can't even go around it, guys. And I got pretty big hands, so yeah, it won't even go around the trunk. That's how massive this banana tree is. But we're gonna do a little trimming on it, because I think it's ready for a slight little trim. So I think we're gonna try to catch one of them lower leaves, and so it can let this big old, that's a stiff leaf right there, guys. And it's gonna be a tall leaf. Look, guys, it's a tall leaf right there. Oh my God, it's gonna be a tall one. All right. So yeah, it's a few of them that we're gonna try to cut, guys. Like this one right here, I don't want it to. We gotta let him go. And some of you guys are gonna be mad because I throw away a lot of leaves when I I can sell them or I can use them myself, but for the most part I get so many of these leaves that sometimes I throw them away or give them to my neighbors. And yeah, so guys, yeah, as you can see, it's some stuff in here that needs to get cut. See, we got a new leaf coming in right here. So got a new leaf coming in over here. So oh shoot, God dang it, we got a new leaf right here, guys. So, and you can see, look, it's actually bending because of might be an older leaf that is restricting it from kind of coming on out. But like stuff like this, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get rid of it. This one, I'm gonna go ahead, we can get rid of this one right here, that one. This is where we need to get into, is right in here to see if we have anything. We also got to cut this one right here for sure, because it's too many leaves on it for right now, because it's still kind of maturing. So you don't want it to stunt its growth with massive leaves on there that it has to take care of individually. So what we're going to do with this one, guys, is we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut this one too. And if you can see, look at this leaf. That's no good, guys. That is no good, and it feels dry. So that is on its way to die. So we're going to cut that, and we're going to cut this one right here. And I think we just going to, no, guys. We're going to cut this one. We're going to cut this one. And we're going to cut this one. Yeah, that's what we're going to do with that. Now, let's keep going. And this too, we got to stand this up. This is my tomato plant, so we got to stand it up. We're going to stick that in there a little bit later, but we got to keep trucking with these banana plants. Okay, as you can see right here, this needs cutting. So we're going to cut it. Yeah, it most definitely needs cutting. Most definitely. Needs to be cut. Need to be cut. Yeah, needs to be cut. Most definitely needs to be cut. We're going to cut this one for sure. That's the lowest one. You guys want to make sure you focus on the lowest leaves, because if you focus on the lowest leaves, it's gonna, most of the time it's gonna be something wrong with it before the newer leaves. The newer leaves are gonna be less sickly than these extra leaves like this one and this one. You know, it's getting nutrients, but we don't need those nutrients going to these leaves because they're already fading away, guys. So we're gonna get rid of that too. We got one more to look at over here. One more to look at. Yep, this one needs cutting too, guys. So we gotta get rid of that. We're gonna get rid of that. And quite possibly probably get rid of that too. On the lower leaves over here, we got this leaf and this leaf. It's gonna be the lowest ones right here. So we're most definitely gonna cut this one, and most definitely gonna cut that one right there, and this one. Okay guys, let's get to it. All right guys, it's so simple. Just do it like that. Come under here, close as you can, and we're gonna go ahead and chop him off too. 1, 2, and 3 leaves. And like I said, guys, I usually throw mine away. So if I don't give them away first, but I've overloaded my neighbors with banana leaves, and I don't think they want any more right now. So let's cut this. We're gonna cut this one right here, and we're gonna cut this one. We'll leave that one. We'll leave that leaf. I know you guys like, oh man, why is he cutting all of these pretty leaves? Because I want the tree to be beautiful and big and strong without trying to take care of these leaves right here. You know? So let's see, let's do this one right here, guys. I think that's all we're gonna do for right now. I think we're gonna give that some, well, no, because it's gonna rain this weekend. And every time it rains, oh my God, I don't know if they come out overnight, but I believe the leaves come out overnight because I prune those trees all the time, and I'm just like, am I pruning them too much? But I know I'm not, because guess what they're doing? They're growing. So let's cut this one. Let's cut right there. Let's cut right here. Okay. And really, to be honest, let's just leave a little leaf in there. We're gonna cut both of these guys. Cut both of those. Let's cut this one. And we're gonna let that one be for a minute. Yeah, we're gonna let that one be. All right. So now we gotta get in here and see what we see, guys. Oh, for sure. All right. Get that one. Yeah. And guys, I'm not just cutting random leaves. I have a strategy that I've been using for a very long time. And this strategy works well. So I'm gonna keep doing this strategy that I do. But if you have another strategy that you guys use, you can always put it in the comments and let me know, and we can kind of talk about it, because it's I don't know everything, guys, but you know, that's how we learn. We learn from each other. So if you got a question about anything, you got a comment, let me know, because that's the only way that I'm gonna know what's what. But like I said, I've been doing this for a while, so you know, I kind of know what to look for when I'm doing it. So just looking at this, I mean, I would do this right here without even looking at the leaf, because I know that it is the lowest one. So with it being the lowest one, it's going to have some kind of something wrong with it, because it's the lowest one. So that's how I kind of do it. But you know, if you do it differently, let me know in the comments. We got to cut that one too, guys. But yeah, these leaves grow overnight, guys. They grow overnight. So we're just gonna cut a few more. I see a lower leaf right here. We're gonna grab him. Go ahead and let him be free. That's a big leaf right there, buddy. All right. Let's see. Anything else for right now? I think we're gonna, okay, hold on. Yeah, so for right now, guys, I think we're gonna wrap it up with that. Literally wrap it up. If you guys didn't know, this is how they wrap their, you know, when they cooking meat on that fire. They get these leaves and they'll wrap them up. They'll wrap the meat up in there, in here, and they'll wrap it up with twine, and they'll put it directly in the fire. And these are hot. These have a high temperature rating. So I mean, they don't burn easily, guys. It handles heat very well, handles heat well and all that good stuff. So yeah. Okay, guys, this is the last one we're gonna do for today on this video. So I think what I'm gonna do is I might do a little video on these lights that I purchased. I think, because man, I love these lights. Oh my goodness. But anyway, that's gonna be for that video. But for this one, guys, we're gonna go ahead and end it right here, and I'm gonna show you guys what the leaves that I'm gonna take off of here. And hey, that's gonna wrap it up for this Joe of all trades. This episode brought to you by me. So hey, love you guys. You guys be safe out there. Hey, make sure you stay hydrated. Drink that water, drink that water, drink that water. Hydrate yourself. People playing sports, you got to be on the field. And hey, look, you got uniforms on, it's extra hot. So you guys take extra precaution and make sure you hydrate yourself. So once again, it's Joe of all trades. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you share. And hey, one more thing, turn on those post notifications. Turn on the post notifications so you will be the first to actually get the video and see what amazing things we're gonna do on Joe of all trades. Yeah. And we out.